Welcome back. So we made it through the sort of boring parts and we did all the introductions and all the boring stuff in theory, but now we're going to start actually getting hands-on and working with some of the features that we're going to use throughout the course. So for now, I just want to give a really quick introduction. I want to whiz through this really quickly so you just know what to expect in the next section. So this section is going to be totally focused on the terminal. We're going to learn everything to do with a terminal. We're going to learn what a terminal is, how it works, just everything to do with it. So we're going to learn different commands and, the different parts of the terminal, how it works. And like I said, we're just going to cover everything so that we get really comfortable with this environment. So firstly, we're going to go over a sort of introduction. So we're going to look hands-on on the terminal instead of going through a PowerPoint, because I feel we've done enough PowerPoints already. And we're just going to look at the different parts of the terminal. So, the username, the computer or the machine name, the input-output cycle, all of these different things. We're going to learn what a shell is, terminal is. We're going to talk about all of this theory while actually doing. So it's not just all boring stuff. So then after we cover all of the theory, we're going to go to console commands. So this is the fun part where you get to learn all of this interesting stuff. Now, don't worry, we're not going to do anything complex like this. We're not going to learn sudo commands or installs, packages. We're just going to learn some basic navigation. So creating and deleting folders, moving between folders, things like that. Because we don't really need this advanced console shell scripting for the course. We're not going to cover that because, again, this is a Git course. It's not a terminal course or a Linux course. So we're just going to dive straight into Git. So all we need to do is learn some basic navigation commands so that just to get more comfortable with the environment. So let's get started.